Hey guys, Jason, Surviving Dad Life. Got something new. I'm gonna start a little project. I've been looking for a camper. Something to, maybe go out on the weekends and get away for a while. Maybe something where I can double tow, if that's something that I can do. Anyway, looked around and I found something. So I figured, hey, why not? I'll give this a try. It's actually a pop-up camper. The person I got it from said, hey, it needs some work. You might want to take a look at it. Might not be something you want to mess with. It's like, okay. I was like, I'll take a look at it. So I looked at it, decided, you know what? For the price, why not? So I'm going to get it and try it out. So there is the camper. So I got to looking at it. The tires were in okay shape. I don't know how well you can see those. But here was the main problem is my seam was busted out right here. So after looking at that, looking at the pop-up on it, trying to get it up, the top is actually coming apart too. I thought to myself, man, this is way too much work than what I want to do. So what I decided is I'm going to turn this project into a totally new camper build. So I'm going to take everything off the trailer and I'm going to build my own, I guess you can call it a square drop. It's like a teardrop, but it's square. Anyway, I'm going to start today with demoing this. I'm going to get all this, as much as I can, off of here, which I don't know how much that's going to be. I'll probably be able to get this, the vinyl material off of it, and then look at what I need to do to get the pop-up off. I'm hoping I can salvage a few things out of it, like the refrigerator that's inside. It was still working. Supposedly the air conditioner on top still works, and we'll look at that too. And then, we'll go from there. So let me get started on tearing this apart and see how far we get. Okay, I got to looking. I was going to get started on this and forgot the wife took the truck today. A lot of my tools are in the truck. So to get this thing off, I think for the most part it's like got snaps that hold it in or something, but anyway, if I can't get it off, this is the tool I have. That's it. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know what happened. Walked away and it fell off. I'll get you braced up better so you can watch the rest of this. All right, let's try again. Oh, in case y'all are wondering, I guess it's a Palomino Mustang or Mustang Palomino. Anyway, I got that canvas material taken off and it was crap. It was brittle in my hands. It was falling apart. The slide outs on the pop-up, this one is still would need to be replaced. It's in okay shape. The one in the back though is shot to hell. As you can see right here, it's falling through. It's probably a leak and it got wet from sitting for years. And then here's this corner I was talking about that's busted off. There we go, you can see it better now. So basically the shell of it is shot. And I think I might try to get the top off. These supports that come up have, it looks just like one bolt that holds the top on. So I could probably get it unbolted. I don't think I can pick it up by myself off there. So I may have to cut it up into pieces and get it off. So let me grab a couple tools and then we'll see if we can get the top off. Okay, despite my truck not being here, I was able to locate a couple tools. I don't know if y'all remember this, but it's that chemo, whatever, ratchet that I'd got. I've had this thing, I did a review on it, an unboxing, and I've had this for, I don't know, probably almost a year now. And this thing is still going strong, and I've had absolutely no issues with it. I got a multi-tool out because, once again, the wife has my truck. Because I got to cut these cables that go to the top. This one here is 110, this red one. And it actually goes up to the air conditioner on top because that's connected to shore power only. And then I've got these wires here that I have to cut, and those are going to be for the lights that go on the canopy there, which I'm sure when you plug into a vehicle, those things light up for when you're towing. So I'm going to cut these, then I'm going to unbolt the posts and see if we can get those off. And then I was able to locate this little toolkit that I got at Walmart because I don't have all my tools here with me. Anyway, this is one of those hearts from Walmart, and I've had this for 3 or 4 months, and it's really a good tool set. I've gotten a few hand tools that have heart on them, and they're actually not too bad, so you guys should give them a shot. I don't know if you could see this, but this trim piece right here actually is supposed to be, it's sitting like this. It should be turned like that, and it should be the cap on this. But as you can see all the way down, that bottom cap has broke off because the wood that's supposed to be inside here to support this is gone. So what I'm gonna be doing now is, see if I can bend this up. You can see the top of that bolt, but there's one bolt that attaches the post to the top. Okay, I'm gonna take the bolts out, and then I'm gonna lift and see if I can get this thing up and off. This is kind of in a bind right here, but you know what? Hopefully that's not in your way, which I bet it probably is. Wasn't counting on that falling down. So be a little safer. Anyway, one bolt, as you can see, pops that thing off and gets it to where it can come out. I'm gonna go see if I can safely do the back one now. This side here is pretty sketchy. It's actually broke completely off right there. So I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna get this side done. which it's still somewhat intact. Actually, it's not. That one's broken too. As you can see, this is what I'm removing off this post, and this piece here should actually go down into the top of that post. But since it's broken, it's not even connected. So I'll go up here to the front, see what we got here. Okay, so out of the 4 posts, one of them was halfway connected right. So I'll put this on here. It would probably help if I did it the right way. And it's off. All right, the top piece is completely off. Not to brag or anything, but it was really light. I forgot to cut that cable. One of these days, I'll pull my head out. No, I just realized I took all this apart and forgot to take a thumbnail. Guess better late than never. I'm using my iPhone today to record and it keeps overheating. I wanted to try it out, but I'm gonna keep going, press on. As you can see, I've got the top off. I'm gonna start throwing all the crap out of it. Maybe get the 2 ends off, and then we're gonna look at the cabinet area there for where the kitchen was and see what we can salvage. So I'm gonna throw the rest of this crap out. I can't believe there's not a step in this thing. Know this. There's a cooktop in it. I have to save this. Maybe it'll work and I can find the purpose for it. Another thing that's weird is that there's not a place where you can stop this from flying open. Stopped it now. I never could get the slide outs to freaking move on this thing. Dang, you wouldn't think it'd be that hard. That could have been a disaster. I'm fat and I'm out of shape. I'm gonna have to wait on tools on that part. Got some help, time lapse. All right, we're gonna wrap up this first video of the demo. Got a really good start. Here's the big pile that was taken off of that. And as you can see, we were able to get off the top, the sides, a couple of the sides. Anyway, we still got a ways to go. So I'm gonna wrap this one up. We'll call it part 1 of demo. And we'll see if we can get the next one out in a week or so. My next plan is to get the trailer, everything completely tore off. And then we're gonna be working on any kind of repair or maintenance things that need to be done to the trailer. So anyway, you guys make sure you comment, like, subscribe, so you can see the videos that are coming out next on this trailer camper build. And I'll catch you on the next one.